Today's modern kitchens surely need a super machine to handle your super kitchen chores so that you can create those exotic, lip-smacking new and experimental recipes without any fuss. That's why Kent has designed one of the most powerful and smart device, the Kent Superpower Grinder and Blender. It has a 1200-watt best-in-class power-packed motor with 100% copper winding and electronic variable speed control that rotates up to whopping 30,000 RPM. The extra heavy-duty 1.5mm super sharp rust-proof blades of 304 stainless steel makes this an ideal choice for the toughest kitchen grinding and blending requirements. Now make and enjoy your favorite smoothie or ice-crushed coffee or grind raw turmeric right at home with super ease. The super large and robust BPA-free polycarbonate 2-liter jar and 2 additional stainless steel jars of 1 liter and 400 milliliter blend, grind or mix almost everything and anything. What's more, its jar locking feature and spill-proof lids help you do all operations almost hands-free. And above all, due to its intelligently designed couplers, these extreme functions are performed at an exceptionally low noise. Plus, the overheating auto cutoff mechanism makes this appliance absolutely safe to use. So what are you waiting for? Unleash the super chef in you and start performing like a pro in your kitchen with Kent's Superpower Grinder and Blender. Kent, trusted by millions.